we all know that provider data changes very rapidly, and there's a lot of it. So it's very important that you get updates on a regular basis to keep your directories in your networks current. The best way that most people try to accomplish this is by doing outreach to these providers and asking them to do updates. Today, most companies and most health plans do this on a sort of one-size-fits-all, static, quarterly basis. So once a quarter or multiple times a quarter, you'll reach out to your providers and ask them to attend. This works pretty well, but it means that if you start your outreach at the beginning of quarter one and the provider attests right away, and then you start outreach again in quarter two and the provider doesn't attest until the second or third month of the quarter, you're not going to actually get an attestation every 90 days. Your attestations might be spaced 120, 150, or 180 days apart. So we think an area of innovation and an opportunity for us is to break that sort of static one-size-fits-all mold and implement a new individualized dynamic approach that operates based on the attester behavior themselves. So this is a rolling attestation that's designed specifically to elicit an attestation every 90 days based on the last time we received an attestation.